If you're anything like me around this time of year, right, we're in the winter, it's so hard to keep your feet moisturized. I find myself looking forward to my next pedicure, right, just because they add the moisture, they take off the dead skin. So I saw these and was really intrigued by them. So this is the Dr. Frederick's Moisturizing Heel Socks, and I've never seen anything like this before. So I'm excited to take them out of the package. Let's give them a try and see what we think. You get 2 pairs of these, and I like the packaging on them. I like that they're nice and secure in a baggie. But oh, they feel so nice. I love this color too. It's like a sherbet. So these just feel really, really nice. Like they just feel very, very soft, very comfortable. So you do get a quick guide as well that just kind of walks you through how to use these. So yeah, this is what it says. So it says, soak your feet in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes, lather on your favorite moisturizer, and then wear your socks overnight. And it says exfoliate gently 2 to 3 times per week with a pumice stone. But wow, I'm so excited because these feel so, so nice. I just rolled these inside out because I want to show you just how nice this is. So this is the gel area that's going to be where your heel is, and it just feels so nice. It feels so cooling and so nice to the touch, and then you get the rest of the little sock. It just feels really, really nice and really, really soft. I followed the instructions as needed, and I have the gel piece right here on my heel. So I'm gonna go ahead and sleep with this overnight, and then I'm gonna check back in. I'm gonna do this a few times over the next week or so, and I'll let you know what I think at the end of the week. So I wanted to check in on these. So I've been using them for probably about a week and a half. So anytime I'm showering, I am doing the recommended steps, right? So I'm making sure I'm putting moisturizer on my feet. So it's been working really, really well. And I am surprised just at how beautiful my heels are looking, because they were looking a little rough there for a little while. But I love the way this works. I think this is so ingenious in the way it was designed. So it really helps to lock in the moisture. And just the colors are fun. Like there's a lot of different colors to choose from. So far so good. I'm really enjoying these. I'm going to continue doing them. The care instructions on these, you do want to hand wash these. So very important. Just make sure that you're hand washing it and just setting it out to dry with air drying, and those will be good to go. So definitely recommend. I'm really, really liking these.